Trying to be polite and holding in a sneeze? It's like trapping a mini explosion in your head. A sneeze travels at 100 miles per hour. When you block its exit, that massive pressure gets redirected back into your body. This pressure can shoot up your eustachian tubes, potentially rupturing your eardrums, or even popping small blood vessels in your eyes. In rare cases, it can even cause a tear in your throat or a brain aneurysm. So, next time, just let it out. Have you ever held a sneeze? Tell me in the comments and hit subscribe for more body facts.